Hello, math scholars. Today's topic is multi-step word problems for elapsed time. And notice, I'm going to highlight real quick this equation right here. This equation we've talked about before, and it's how we discovered elapsed time to begin with. That it was ending time minus the starting time is equal to the elapsed time. The problem is, not always will you have the ending time and the starting time and you can just subtract them to get the elapsed time. Sometimes they will give you something different. Sometimes they'll give you the starting time and the elapsed time, and you'll have to find the ending time. Or sometimes they will give you the elapsed time and the ending time, and you'll have to find the starting time. So, how do we do this? I've kind of listed it out for you up here. Number one, you already know. Number one is here. If you have the beginning and ending times, like we did earlier, and then subtract the beginning time from the ending time. However, if you have the beginning and elapsed times, all you have to do is add this elapsed time right here to the beginning time, and then you'll get your ending time. Now, what about finding starting time? If you have the ending time and the elapsed times, what you can do is you can subtract your elapsed time from the ending time, and you'll get your starting time. For those of you who are a little bit more advanced, you'll know that this is just manipulating the algebraic equations. For example, if I'm solving for ending time, what I'm doing is I'm adding starting time to both sides. This will cancel, and what I get is ending time is equal to elapsed time plus the starting time. And you can do this similarly to find whatever thing you need to find in this simple equation. Also in this section, for this topic, you'll be tasked with comparing two different periods of time. So they're basically asking you to find the difference between, say, 3 hours, or the difference between that and maybe 2 hours, something that takes 2 hours. And obviously you're thinking to yourself, in order to find the difference, I just need to subtract. And it's basically the same skill that we've been doing, ending time minus starting time. It's the same skill. You shouldn't have any problems. And also, you need to be able to find the time for repeated activities. For example, they'll tell you, oh, if this activity takes 3 minutes and you do this 6 times, well, then if you do it 6 times, it's 3 times 6. So the formula is very simple. You just multiply your length of your activity times the number of times that it takes, or the number of times that you do the activity. All right, good luck.